Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel yet for another video. Today, I'm super excited to be announcing that it's our first 72 car mainline case that we're opening on this channel. This is the 2020 M USA case from Hot Wheels. Let's crack this open. We're gonna start this off. We have 49 Merce, two of them. 2019 Kia Stinger GT in blue. We have the BMW M3, Astana Auto, and a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. We have the Corvette C706, clip rod, and a Land Rover Defender 90. We got our rip rod, brand new casting for this case, 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S, really nice. And we got pedal to metal. We got another Land Rover Defender 90. We got a Batmobile and TV series Batmobile. We have another Astana Auto. This is from the Fast and Furious Spy Racers. Another Batmobile, an Alpine 8110 Cup. We have Surf and Turf, another Surf and Turf, and a Corvette C706. We have a 2010 Chevy Impala, and another brand new casting for this case, 2017 Lamborghini Urus. This is actually not a brand new casting, they modified it this year, but Hot Wheels did make this Lamborghini Urus as a prototype version several years back when it was a concept, and they just fine-tuned it. Yeah, this looks really nice, really good. I'm hoping to see these in multiple colors in upcoming cases. We got the Hot Wheels Ford Transport Connect, clip rod, and a Dodge Charger Drift. We have a 65 Ford Galaxy. This would be the super treasure hunt for this case. So it comes in a Spectra frame plane, real riders, and you would also identify it in the back of the card. Over here there'd be a nice gold flame to help identify the super treasure hunt, and a 25 TH. I don't remember if it was right here on the door or on the fender. I'm gonna leave a photo of what it's supposed to look like up here in the video. We have a Roger Dodger and a recolor of 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. We have another 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. We have a Tricera truck. And this is the treasure hunt for this case. You can see right there. Little badging. I'm not sure if they put a treasure hunt logo on this. No, I don't physically see a treasure hunt logo. And we have a Geoterra. have a rip rod, TV series Batmobile, and a 2019 Kia Stinger GT. We got a nice recolor of the 52 Hudson Hornet, custom Ford Maverick, and an 84 Pontiac Firebird. Nice classic car with the classic wheels. Really like that. We have a Geoterra 69 Chevy pickup and a Mountain Mauler. This is from the 2020 Tokyo, which did not happen this year. We got a Donut Drifter, a 92 BMW M3, and an Alpha Pursuit. Next up, an 84 Pontiac Firebird, slide kick, and another Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. We got a recolor of the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, Forward Force, and a 1973 Ford Falcon XB. Yeah, it's nice. I like that. We got a Linster prototype and a Forward Force. We got a recolor of the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a Moto Wing, and a Roger Dodger. We got a Mod Rod, a Sandblaster, and a recolor of the Tesla Model 3. Now I think they've made this in 4 colors now. They first started off with a white, then they made a red, then a charcoal, and now this very nice bright blue. It goes really well with the color. We got a Speed Driver, custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Let's see this. This looks really nice. And a Turbo Rooster. Put these to the side. I want to see this one. Yeah, this is nice. This is real solid. This is based on Joey Logano. Yeah, and in the upcoming cases, there's also a Ford Shelby that they're supposed to make brand new. Can't wait for that one. We got another 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, Alpine A110 Cup, and another custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Last row, guys. We got a Turbone Charger, or Turbone Charged, sorry. Another recolor of the Tesla Model 3, and a Surf's Up. This was also from the Tokyo 2020 set. Yeah, almost looks like a Silver Surfer in Fantastic Four. And we have 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata, 73 Ford Falcon XB, and a 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. And that wraps this unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section which one was your favorite car out of this case, hit a like button, click that notification bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to share this video as well. Never stop collecting, guys. As always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.